Hello, this is Scott Pacino of Telecoms.com, and I'm delighted to be joined today by Lucas Liu, Director of the Assurance and Managed Services Department at the Global Technical Services for Huawei. Now, Huawei was lucky enough to win the Best Digital Transformation Project Award at the recent GLOTEL Awards. So we're talking to Lucas today just to get a sense of what he thinks it was about their submission that enabled it to win. So Lucas, could you start by giving us a summary of the project you delivered in partnership with China Unicom, which won the award?
I think for us, it's a great honor to receive the Best Digital Transformation Project Award at the Global Telecom Award 2021. So first of all, I would like to thank you all the personnel from the China Unicom, Huawei, and also our partners who participated in this project. Second, I would like to thank all the judges for awarding this award to China Unicom and Huawei. This project is an important part of China Unicom overall digital transformation strategy. It builds an intelligent platform and promotes the transformation of the traditional operation modules to reduce the operation cost, improve the operation efficiency, and also improve the production efficiency through one-point deployment of products and the network-wide enablement of the China Unicom. It accelerates comprehensive digital transformation from the process, platform, organization, and also the operation people.
That's great, thanks a lot. And just to drill down a little bit further, what were the main challenges within this digital transformation project that your team addressed?
Okay, the China Unicom is a very big operator in China. So they actually serves more than 310 million mobile subscribers and also more than 90 million broadband users. So if we compare the requirement of the network and the service, the traditional operation and the managed service approach with the silo tools, the disparate process, and also the fragment data, which relying on the people have reached the limits, the operation limit of their capability. As it roll out their 5G network, they build the 5G network alongside its with the existing 2G, 3G, and 4G network. It encountered a great operational complexity. The problem is further complicated by the regional difference, silo operations, and also the legacy equipment. So China Unicom collaborate with Huawei to build a platform to centralize the data gathering, analyzing, and also the operation management support to the whole network of the China Unicom.
That's great, thanks a lot. Now sort of pivoting it more towards Huawei itself, could you break down what special capabilities or solutions Huawei brought to the project and how they contributed to its success?
Okay. The China Unicom's Intelligent Innovation Center, actually they worked with Huawei to develop and deploy the intelligent operation and maintenance platform for years now. Based on Huawei Ultimate solutions, which is the next generation intelligent O&M platform that can be orchestrated based on data and knowledge assets. Huawei Ultimate Intelligent O&M solution accelerates intelligent O&M transformation and improve the O&M quality and efficiency through the intelligent fault prediction, automatic fault demarcation, and also the automatic root cause diagnosis, and the knowledge accumulation and the self-learning. We bring the automation and the intelligence to every step of the network operations. We try to provide the three key targets for our customer, which we call 3.0 in Huawei, which is we want to provide the zero service impact to the end user, and we also want to provide the zero touch operation for the NOC. And then we also want to provide the zero code development platform for the talent transformation.
Great, thank you very much. So just to finish off, perhaps we could take a step back and look at a bigger picture. Can I ask you lastly whether you have any suggestions on the future digital O&M transformation for the telecom industry on the whole?
Okay. I think the past 2 or 3 years are very special for most of the operator because during the past 2 or 3 years, most operator they launched their 5G network, and it bring more and more new technology to their network. And also during past 2 or 3 years, I think most of the operator their business was not just focused on the 2C business. They also see the 2B and the 2H business more and more important. So this will also require more multiple SLA requirement. So looking forward to the future, we think the digital operation and maintenance transformation cannot be achieved by one day. Huawei is committed to open the platform and continue to invest in the digital transformation capabilities to accelerate the carrier's digital operation and maintenance transformation. And Huawei hopes to work with the industry organizations, more carriers, and also more partners to build an ecosystem for win-win cooperation and accelerate the evolution of the digital network O&M transformation with our customer, our partner together.
Thank you, that's great, thanks a lot. And so just to sign off, I just want to congratulate you and Huawei again on your win. And if you choose to enter the GLOTEL 2022 awards, I wish you good luck with that. Thank you.
Thank you.